So there are three benefits that I want to share. The first one is to improve communication between peers or between family members. As you can see that this goal helps for them to communicate to one another and get to know each other, which is a very good thing to start up with the speech development. The second one is to understand cue in terms of timing, because when it comes to playing under bridge falling down, and lastly being catch, there's a time, there's a cue that they need to catch up. So this requires better attention. When they have better attention, they can do in any task that they can do in the daily life routine. And last but not least, to understand sequencing, meaning to say that once the person get catch, what is the next sequence after that, which is a very good thing for them to understand the concept of sequencing in terms of daily life routine. For example, there's a sequence in terms of spoon rise. Of course, you start with initiate, 3 fingers, take spoon, scoop, take, transfer into mouth. So there's a sequence. And for age appropriate, I would say 3 years and above would be great for your kids. So that's all from me. Thank you.